Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Rifter in the Allure specification. So this is the long wheelbase, which gives you 7 seats. It comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, 2 sliding side doors, rear parking sensors. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this, there's air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with speed limiter, and also speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox done under 7,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.